Welcome to Almel Learning. Today we are going to see a tool which is one of the cloud-based photo editor tool, which is called Canva. I think most of you would have seen this tool. It's a kind of a very user-friendly tool, and it's a more a lighter version of Photoshop. And of course, it has a lot of add-on features inside how this Canva is. Today, what we're going to see is we're going to see a small virtual tour about what all are the possible things that we can do in using Canva software, right? So you just can go to Google. You just have to type Canva, and once you type a Canva, you will just get redirected to the Canva website, and you will have this opened up. You can just sign up with a Facebook or a Google account. So once you sign up, this will be the home page. So this will be the dashboard of Canva. So basically, there are certain options which we can go through it. So first, you have the home button, which has a lot of various recommendations on what are the different kinds of certain scenarios that you can work across. You can do that as well. So if you see, you can create presentations, you can create YouTube thumbnails, you can create posters, you can create logos, whatever visual element or design element that you can probably work on workshop. Everything is highly possible in Canva as a tool, right? So of course, when you just go one by one, the first thing it will show you is recommended for you. So what are the designs which is recommended for you? And one thing, good thing about Canva is everything, every design, whatever you're making is completely stored in the cloud. So, which means you can access Canva in any device at any point of time. And if you want to download it in the image format, JPEG, MNG, or maybe PDF, whatever it is, highly possible. Of course, we want to see that kind of how we can use the different elements in Canva in the coming sessions. But today, just we want to see the virtual tool. And if you see in the left hand side, there are certain options where you have your designs. You can see that you can even have collaborators, which means the same design you can probably work with other people also. You can add a collaborator to that also. And you also have a pro version of Canva where you can create a kind of a brand element of the color schemes, the design patterns of particular brand that you are associated with. You can still work on that as well. So like this, there are a lot of other options that you can work across. And so let us start with some basic things. So first, imagine I want to create a design, right? So I want to create a Facebook page, or maybe we'll start with a Facebook post. So if you want to create a Facebook post, so what is the first thing that you need to know is every time, right? So whenever you keep designing, so one aspect that you need to know is you need to know the dimensions of each and every post, right? So that is a design scheme. So first, when you start off with any designs patterns, first you should know the dimension of it. Now, for example, if I want to create a Facebook post, I want to create an Insta post, I want to create a Google post, right? So every post has its own dimensions. So I cannot remember everything, or I cannot go and search in Google every time. So, but in Canva you have, so just you have to go to the right hand side corner. You have a create design button. So when you just create design, so automatically you will have all the predefined designs. And whenever you select this, it will also show the dimensions of it. It's a photo collage, Insta story, you have a A4 document, you have a logo, you have a presentation. All this is highly possible where it will show you what is the exact dimensions of each and everything. And if you want to have a look in what are the available predefined templates in Canva, yes, highly possible you can do that also. We just want to know how this works. You just have to go to display where you can see a lot of options which is available. It's a lot of options which is available. You can go here if you talk about trending. You just click. So trending templates are templates which is already there in the current. So you have different schemes like this. You have different categories. You have Facebook posts, Insta stories, Insta posts. You have Facebook covers, flyers, presentations, YouTube thumbnails, cards, business cards, photo collages, all this. And if you want to see a lot more, right? So if a lot more, if you want to see that, you can still work on that. If you just click resumes, it will show you again a lot of templates, predefined templates, right? So this is what is the first basic introduction about Canva, where we have seen what are the different options which is available, and also how we can use different templates in using Canva. So stay focused in the coming videos where we want to see how we can design